Okay, so we now we have finished these great and powerful functions added in this new release 2012. So it's time to see another amazing and wonderful plugins in this release. Well, in this release we call our plugins because these are designed according to the customer requirements around the block or around the globe. So the customers propose us introduce new plugins in this new release, and then we finally analyze and incorporate the best ones. Okay, so we are talking about POLYLINE BOOLEAN, CAD sheet Excel, PDF to DXF converter, superhatch, and text incremental copy. So let's start talking about POLYLINE BOOLEAN. Okay, POLYLINE BOOLEAN. This revolutionary plugin is able to perform 3 Boolean operations. Okay, join, intersect, subtract, closed entities. So you can apply only POLYLINE BOOLEAN for closed entities. Okay, so after you perform any of these Boolean operations, okay, you will get automatic conversion to polyline. So as you see in the left hand on your screen, you can see one drawing. In this drawing, we are selecting one of the big circles and small circles around it. So when we perform, for example, any Boolean operation, okay, on those entities selected, closed entities, we will get automatic conversion to polyline. So as you see in the right hand of your screen, you can see the polyline, okay, the object selected converted to polyline. Okay, so we don't waste time. Let's see in a demo how it works. Okay, so okay, for example, I have those objects here, and my final result will be this. Okay, check this out. I have these objects and then this result. Okay, this result check. This result is a polyline. Okay, so after this result, I wanna perform 3D modeling, or I wanna get a read 3D solid. So for do this operation or this result, I have traditionally we apply 2 commands, trim and pedit. So let's see how we always do this in the traditional way. So we perform right now, we will perform trim, okay, and then I will select all the objects, all the entities, and then I will cut one by one according to the shaped, according to this shape, show it. So as you see, one by one, okay, so you waste your time. Okay, you're wasting your time. After you cut all the entities here, you will get something like that. Okay, all of these are entities, okay, individual entities. So after this, you must perform another command we call pedit. And pedit, what you wanna do with pedit, you wanna do a polyline those entities. So I will type pedit, and then appear one message. I wanna say M, that's mean multiples, because we have multiples entity here. We select the entities, and then I will turn on a polyline. I say yes, okay, and then after this you will have several options, join or to convert a polyline, but I want to join all the entities for convert to a polyline. So enter, and that's it. You will have here your final result as here, okay, but you saw that you must traditionally perform 2 commands, trim and pedit and polyline. But right now in GstarCAD 2012, you don't need to do this. Right now you will see you can do with POLYLINE BOOLEAN. Okay, so for perform POLYLINE BOOLEAN in 2012, you must see your you must go to your interface, and under tab express tab, you will find edit panel. In edit panel, you will have an option here. This option is a polyline boolean or p-line boolean. So we select this option, okay, and then you will have here three main boolean operations, and then we subtraction, okay. So you will see how faster and easy it is. I select the green one, and then I select the other one here, and that's it. You see, I will convert in no time. I will convert it into a polyline, and I have the same result as this. Okay, so yeah, when I have this result, what I can do, I can convert this one in 3D solid. As you can see, I will show you here. So you perform polyline, and after polyline you can convert easily and 3D here in no time. So polyline boolean you can apply in a simple way, in a simple examples, okay, in closed entities, faster, easy, or you can apply in very complex design to apply in 3D solid. So it is powerful. And let's see what's the benefits of this new plugin added in 2012. Okay, so polyline boolean is faster than trim. Yes, it's faster than trim. It's faster doing cutting the entities, the closed entities. Automatic conversion. Yes, you don't need to use pedit command to join the individual entities to convert to a polyline. Finally, is a big step doing rigid modeling, because already convert to a polyline, and then it's easy for you performing a modeling. So polyline boolean is a new plugin incorporated in GstarCAD 2012.